Welcome to another Christmas recipe video. My name is Doris Etito. In today's video, we are making Nigerian puff puff, famous popular puff puff to wow your friends and loved ones this Christmas season. To make this Nigerian puff puff, here are the ingredients and steps to do it. The first step to make our Nigerian puff puff is to dissolve the powdered milk with warm water. I repeat, warm water. The warm water will help to dilute the milk faster and also add the dried yeast to the warm milk. If you are using instant yeast, you don't need to mix the yeast in warm water. You add it directly to the flour. Okay, so after diluting the milk and the yeast with warm water, I head over to sieve my flour. It is very important to sieve your flour, as most of the times our flours, because of where we buy them from or storage, they usually have dirt just like that. Okay, so after sieving the flour, I'm adding the grated nutmeg as well as the sugar and salt. After adding the salt, I'll stir the flour and then add the vanilla extract. After the vanilla extract, I'll add the warm milk and yeast mixture. I will make sure to stir this properly to properly combine. Okay, ensure to add water a little at a time. Go slow with the water. Okay, don't add all the water at once so that the batter will not be too light. Okay, so add water a little bit at a time until you get the right consistency that you want. Your batter should be stretchy and not running. After getting the right consistency, I'm going to cover this bowl and then leave it in a warm place for it to rest for about 45 minutes to 1 hour. And after that time, after the 45 minutes to 1 hour, guys, it doubled its size. And here I'm just going to remove the excess air from it and then heat up a pan with oil on it and then scoop the puff puff mix into the oil, then fry until golden brown. Scoop in as much butter the oil or the pan can accommodate at a time. Don't overcrowd the oil with too much puff puff. Okay, so it can have space for it to rise. You know, when you place the dough in the hot oil, it tends to rise to puff. Okay, so that's where we get the name puff. Okay, it gets to puff, okay, in the oil. So don't crowd the oil with too much butter. Okay, and they were just trying to stick together, and I said no, don't stick, loosen up. Okay, fry both sides of the puff puff until it is golden brown, and when done, take out from the heat. Guys, growing up, puff puff is one of my favorite snacks. Even up till now, I still love puff puff. I enjoy puff puff a lot. Puff puff can be taken with any cold drink of choice or even tea. You can serve puff puff with hot chocolate, tea, or any drink of your choice. It's just so perfect for this season, this Christmas season. Puff puff is perfect to serve your friends, your neighbors, your loved ones, your everything. All right, our puff puff is ready and it's looking so good. Our puff puff is ready and looking so good, although the shapes are not the same, but yeah, it's okay. It's well done inside out, and I added a little bit of cake sprinkle on it just for presentation. Puff puff is very nice and looks so good. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Share it with your family and friends this Christmas season so they can also learn how to make puff puff. And I will see you again in another video. Goodbye.